In this video, you will learn slowly and clearly 100 real-life phrases and hotel conversations. These phrases will help beginners improve their English speaking skills. Let's begin.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. May I see your ID? Here is my passport.
Thank you. I'll check your booking. Is breakfast included? Yes, it's included with your stay. What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's printed on your key card. Where is the elevator?
It's around the corner.
Is my room ready?
Yes, here's your key card. Can someone help with my luggage?
Of course. I'll assist you. Where is the swimming pool?
It's on the 3rd floor.
Is there a gym here?
Yes, it's open all day. Could I have extra towels? Certainly. I'll bring them right away.
I'd like to order dinner.
Certainly. What would you like? Can I get a wake-up call?
Of course. What time?
What time does the restaurant open?
It opens at 7. Is there a bank nearby?
Yes, it's across the street. Do you offer laundry service?
Yes, we do.
The air conditioner isn't working. I'll check it right away.
Could I have an extra pillow? Certainly. I'll bring one. Could you call a taxi?
Certainly. One moment, please. Can you book a table? Of course. For how many?
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11.
Can I check out later?
Yes, until 1 o'clock. I forgot my room number.
Let me check for you. I lost my key card.
I'll issue a new one.
Is parking available here?
Yes, behind the building.
What should I visit nearby?
The City Museum is popular.
Do you offer airport shuttles?
Yes, every 30 minutes. Can I exchange money here? Yes, at the business center.
Can you print this document?
Of course. Please send it. Could we change rooms?
Certainly. Let me check. Could I get another blanket? Certainly. I'll bring one.
My room is very noisy.
I'm sorry. I'll help. Can I have a quiet room?
Yes, I'll arrange one. Is there a room safe?
Yes, inside the closet. Could I borrow an iron? Certainly. I'll bring one.
Can we stay one more night?
Yes, rooms are available.
I can't find my luggage.
Let's check the storage room. Has my package arrived?
Yes, we have it. Where is the business center? It's next to the lobby.
Could you clean my room? Certainly, we'll do it. Do you have a city map?
Yes, here you are.
The TV isn't working.
I'll fix it right away.
Can I book a spa session?
Yes, what time works?
Can you store my luggage?
Certainly, until your departure.
Are drinks in the minibar free?
No, they're charged separately.
Do you have a phone charger?
Yes, you can borrow one. I can't find my room key.
I'll make a new one. Can I get some bottled water?
Certainly, I'll bring it.
When is the next shuttle?
It leaves in 10 minutes. Is a room upgrade available?
Yes, for a small fee.
Can I get a wake-up call?
Certainly. What time? What time is breakfast served?
From 7 until 10. Can we sit by the window? Yes, follow me, please. Could I have some coffee? Certainly. I'll bring it.
Do you have vegetarian meals?
Yes, we have several.
Could we have the bill?
Certainly. I'll bring it. What time does the pool close? It closes at 9.
Is my spa appointment ready? Yes, please come in. Are there fitness classes today?
Yes, at 6 o'clock.
Do you sell postcards?
Yes, they're over here. I lost my sunglasses.
Let's check lost and found. What time does the bar close? It closes at midnight.
Can I book a meeting room?
Yes, it's available today.
Can you arrange airport transfer?
Certainly. What time?
Could I get a receipt?
Of course. Here it is. I need a doctor. I'll call one immediately. I'm allergic to peanuts.
Thank you for telling me. Where is the ice machine?
It's down the hall. Can I borrow an umbrella?
Of course. Here you go. Do you have a room service menu?
Yes, I'll send one up.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Just across the street.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Where can I find an ATM?
There's one in the lobby.
Can we book a city tour?
Yes, tomorrow morning. Can I get a taxi receipt?
Certainly, I'll print one.
Can I order food now?
Yes, we're open all night. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. Where is the train station?
It's 5 minutes away. Can you print my boarding pass?
Certainly. Send it to me.
I left my jacket upstairs.
We'll help you find it.
Do you offer express checkout?
Yes, it's available.
When should I leave for the airport?
About 2 hours early.
Your taxi has arrived.
Great, thank you. Is everything included here? Yes, that's the final amount.
Are we checked out now?
Yes, everything is complete.
Thank you for everything. Have a wonderful trip. My flight was delayed.
I'm sorry to hear that. I can't find my passport.
Let's contact local authorities. Where can I exchange currency?
There's a bank nearby.
Which airport terminal should I use?
Please check your ticket.
Any tips for tourists here? Visit early to avoid crowds. Has my payment gone through?
Yes, everything is confirmed.
Your shuttle has arrived. Perfect. I'm ready to go.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, everything was excellent.
Can you call a taxi?
Certainly. It will arrive soon.
I left my charger upstairs.
We'll check the room. Here's my room key.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you. Goodbye. We hope to see you again. We'll definitely come back.
I had a wonderful stay.
We're glad you enjoyed it. Congratulations! You have completed 100 real-life English conversations. Practicing these phrases will improve your English. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.